Hello everyone, I'm Jay and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some dog breeds in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these dog breeds together. Please give it a try. Silky Terrier, Silky Terrier, Silky Terrier. Staffordshire Bull Terrier, Staffordshire Bull Terrier, Staffordshire Bull Terrier. Tibetan Mastiff, Tibetan Mastiff, Tibetan Mastiff. Tibetan Spaniel, Tibetan Spaniel, Tibetan Spaniel. Tibetan Terrier, Tibetan Terrier, Tibetan Terrier. Treeing Tennessee Brindle, Treeing Tennessee Brindle, Treeing Tennessee Brindle. Treeing Walker Coonhound, Treeing Walker Coonhound, Treeing Walker Coonhound. Weimaraner, Weimaraner, Weimaraner. Welsh Springer Spaniel, Welsh Springer Spaniel, Welsh Springer Spaniel. Welsh Terrier, Welsh Terrier, Welsh Terrier. West Highland White Terrier, West Highland White Terrier, West Highland White Terrier. Whippet, Whippet, Whippet. Yorkshire Terrier, Yorkshire Terrier, Yorkshire Terrier. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you feel it in your heart, please donate to our channel. Your donations help us greatly. Thank you. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.